Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy initial exchange offerings with KuCoin, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy an initial exchange offering with KuCoin, start by registering for a KuCoin account if you haven't already. Visit the KuCoin website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email account by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once registered, log in to your KuCoin account. Navigate to the Projects section on the homepage. Select Launchpad to learn more about upcoming initial exchange offerings. Familiarize yourself with the KuCoin Spotlight program, which supports token listings through initial exchange offerings. Prepare your project details, including a white paper, tokenomics, and marketing materials. Submit your project for approval by KuCoin's team through their designated application form. Provide all necessary documentation related to your project, including legal compliance and audit reports. Wait for feedback from KuCoin regarding your application status. If accepted, coordinate with KuCoin to finalize listing details and marketing strategies. Set a suitable date for your initial exchange offering with KuCoin's guidance. Create a strong community around your project using social media and forums to generate interest. During the IEO period, monitor the activity and engage with potential investors. After the offering, ensure smooth distribution of tokens to all participants. Continue to communicate with your investors and update them on project milestones. Maintain ongoing support and transparency to build trust within your community. Track your project's performance and respond to any market changes or investor inquiries. This process will help you successfully deploy your initial exchange offering on KuCoin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.